displacement technique. In the case of displacement technique, from the name itself, we can identify that each cell component with its gradient is going to be displaced off by this technique. From the puncturing technique, we have does not disturb any other component, where the component is going to be separated by puncturing at the test tube bottom and separated based on manually with the tedious process. But in the case of displacement technique, where there is a cover at the outlet at the top of a gradient to avoid the splitting of medium, a hole is made. Through the hole, a tube is passed to the bottom of the tube. So the recovery is going to be first high density component. A high density component is going to be separated off in this recovery. So a very dense solution, then the high density component is going to be where it's going to be a test tube, where there is a low density medium which is going to have a components of its similar density, and high density medium which is going to have a components of its similar density. A cover is made. In this a test tube, a tube is passed. Through this tube, a dense solution is passed. This dense solution is going to have a density which is more than the dense solution in the tube. So when we pass these dense solution into the tube, this denser solution will be occupying this test tube bottom, and the denser solution in the test tube will move to top, and the less dense solution will move to another top. So the medium is going to be displaced off. There is another tube in the cover. So the low dense solution will reaches a tube, and this low dense solution will be separated off by or collected off by fractionally. Based on this, a displacement of medium with its component by pumping off the dense solution, a displacement technique can be used for recovery of the sample. So the dense solution is going to reach the bottom, which causes a displacement of gradient layer. So here we can see that there is a peristaltic pump which is very important for pumping of the solution.